Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, where future technology meets reality. Today, we are stepping inside the world of innovation, a world where design meets intelligence and power meets elegance. This is the Samsung Galaxy 57 2026, a smartphone that isn't just made for today, it's engineered for the next era of communication, creativity, and performance. As soon as you lift this device in your hand, the first thing you notice is the ultra-premium sky blue gradient finish, reflecting light like liquid crystal under cinematic glow. Samsung has polished every angle, every contour, every microscopic detail until perfection. This isn't just a device, it's a piece of futuristic art. On the back, a stunning triple-sensor AI Pro camera system sits inside precision-cut metallic rings, signaling Samsung's futuristic camera language. With a massive advanced 200-megapixel Super Vision AI sensor, depth-optimized periscope telephoto system, and ultra-wide cinematic lens, this phone redefines mobile photography. Whether it's low-light portraits, high-speed movement, or night sky astrophotography, every pixel is sharpened by Samsung's new AI Fusion engine. The result? A camera system that doesn't capture reality, it enhances it. Turn the phone around and you're greeted by a breathtaking 8K ultra-dynamic AMOLED display. Deep blacks, crystal-sharp highlights, punchy contrast, and the smoothest motion experience Samsung has ever delivered. Watching content on this screen feels like opening a window to another dimension. Every video, every picture, every frame feels alive. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply loves a premium visual experience, this screen delivers a level of immersion that touches the soul. Inside, Samsung has introduced its most advanced silicon ever, the Samsung AI Quantum chip, paired with next-gen 6G connectivity and Wi-Fi 8. This chipset doesn't just process tasks, it predicts them, learns your patterns, adapts to your usage, and accelerates apps before you even open them. Multitasking flows like water. Gaming performance, unreal. Heat management, refined with liquid cooling enhancements and AI thermal balancing for long-lasting sustained power. With this level of optimization, speed is not just a feature, it's the identity of the Galaxy 57. Battery life on this phone is another major leap forward. The intelligent 5000 mAh Power Shield battery works alongside AI to stretch efficiency based on your habits and environment. Pair that with Samsung's new hypercharge tech, and you'll get hours of power in just a few minutes of charge. And yes, the design still maintains wireless charging, reverse charging, and next-gen magnetic docking accessories. Audio quality matches the visual brilliance. With enhanced surround-tuned stereo speakers and deep engineered vocal clarity, movies, games, and music feel rich, powerful, and atmospheric. This isn't sound coming from a phone. This is sound filling your space. But what truly makes the Galaxy 57 extraordinary is its AI-driven software intelligence. From camera optimization to battery control, from voice assistance to immersive augmented reality, every layer of this interface is powered by Samsung's deep learning engine. This phone does not just follow your commands, it anticipates them. It recognizes environments, adapts screen color in real time, stabilizes camera footage at extreme levels, clears background noise during calls, and even helps organize your life through AI smart planning tools. And yes, privacy remains in your hands. Samsung's Private Fortress Layer security ensures that your biometrics, data, and personal content stay protected inside a secure digital vault. Every design choice, every engineering move, every aesthetic detail feels intentional. Refined edges, precise build, a smooth matte glass finish that feels feather-light yet incredibly durable. This phone blends beauty with function in a way only a future flagship can. So the question is not whether this phone is powerful. The question is, are you ready for the future? Because the Samsung Galaxy 57 is not simply a smartphone, it is the next era of digital life, a portal to tomorrow, built today. This is the device for creators, dreamers, achievers, and those who demand excellence in every moment. Whether you're recording a cinematic vlog, editing 8K content, gaming at elite power levels, or simply scrolling your daily feed, the Galaxy 57 transforms each interaction into a premium experience. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox Pro, your home for premium tech exploration. If you enjoyed this futuristic journey, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Because here, every day brings a new innovation, a new device, a new chapter in technology. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and stay tech-powered.